In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a credit card in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or handling finances for a larger company, understanding how to manage refunds efficiently can really save time and prevent potential bookkeeping headaches. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to perform a credit card refund with ease. First things first, you need to log in to your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to the main dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your financial activities. On the left-hand side of this dashboard, you'll find a button labeled New. You'll want to go ahead and click on this button. Think of it as your gateway to creating new transactions or performing tasks like issuing a refund. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Credit Card Credit. This option is specifically designed by QuickBooks to effectively handle any credit card refunds. Selecting this option prepares the system for a refund transaction. Now, let's talk about adding the payee. This is an important step where you need to specify the person or entity to whom you're issuing the refund. You'll see a field where you can either search for a name in your existing list or, if necessary, you can add a new payee. This ensures that your refund is directed precisely where it should go. Remember, keeping track of your payees accurately is crucial for maintaining clear and organized financial records. Once you've entered your payee information, you'll be prompted to add the bank or credit account. This is a crucial step because it informs QuickBooks about which account the refund will be processed from. You can select from your existing accounts, ensuring that the account chosen aligns with where the original transaction was recorded. This alignment is important for your records to remain consistent and accurate. Now let's focus on the amount. Here, you need to enter the exact amount you are refunding. It's wise to double-check this figure for accuracy. Mistakes here can lead to discrepancies in your accounts, which can be tedious to correct later. So take your time to ensure this is correct. Finally, once you're confident that all the necessary information is accurate and complete, you simply click on Save and Close. With this action, you've completed the credit card refund process. QuickBooks will then take care of recording the transaction and updating your financial records accordingly. And there you have it. You've smoothly completed a credit card refund using QuickBooks Online. This process not only keeps your financial records accurate, but also ensures that your customers' transactions are handled seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has provided you with clarity and confidence for managing future refunds in your QuickBooks account.